Hello students, continuation of the straight line exercise 3b. In first Roman, first problem is find the sum of the squares of the intercept of the line 4x minus 3y is equal to 12 on the axis of the coordinate. It is sum of the squares intercept, therefore you can interchange the intercept form. The equation is given 4x minus 3y is equal to 12. You can interchange into intercept form. How can you interchange? First is solution. Observe here. Given equation. What the given equation is? 4x minus 3y is equal to 12. That is you can write. And intercept form I can write here x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Is the intercept form. Okay. Intercept form this is. You can reduce this form into intercept form. Then you can sum of the intercept you can find out. Therefore, I can in RHS you want this is must be 1 only. Therefore, dividing both side 12. What will get here? 4x by 12 minus 3 by 12 is equal to 12 by 12. Both side. Dividing both side with 12. Therefore, this can be written as x by 3, okay, minus y by 4 is equal to 1. Or I can write this is x by 3 plus of y by minus 4 is equal to 1. What is the form of here? X by a plus y by b. Therefore, I can take here minus 4, minus of minus plus into minus equal to the minus only. Therefore, I can write y by minus 4 is equal to 0. Therefore, intercept, y intercept is how much it is? Intercept y intercept is a is equal to 3 and x intercept is 3 and y intercept b is equal to minus 4 is. But is sum of the squares is asking. Sum of the squares is sum of the squares of the intercepts. How can I write that is a square plus b square. That is I can write here 3 whole square plus minus 4 whole square is equal to, I can write here 3 square is nothing but 9 plus 4 square is nothing but 16 is equal to 25. Therefore, the answer is 25 only. Clear? If the portion of the straight line intercept between the axis of coordinates is bisected at 2p and comma 2q, write the equation of the straight line. It is given the straight line is intercepted at x and y coordinates as is a comma 0 and 0b. Portion means as a x and y axis. Okay. Therefore, bisection means midpoint of the AB is m is equal to 2p and 2q. Write the equation of the straight line. How can you solve this one? You can observe here. The equation of the straight line, first you can write here solution. Observe here. The equation of the straight line. The equation of straight line. Equation of the straight line in intercept form. In intercept form. How can I write intercept form? Means x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. The straight line, again observe here, it is given. You can find here a and b, substitute. How can you find? But AB midpoint is m. That equal to given is 2p comma 2q. 2p comma 2q. Therefore, midpoint of AB is means you can write here a plus 0 by 2 comma b plus 0 by 2 is equal to, I can write here 2p comma 2q. Clear? This is 2p comma 2q. Bracket close. Is nothing but a by 2 comma b by 2 is equal to 2p comma 2q. Or I can write here a comma b is equal to, or you can write here a by 2 is equal to 2p and b by 2 is equal to 2q. Therefore a is equal to 4p, b is equal to 4q. Therefore equation I can write here x by a is nothing but 4p plus y by b is nothing but 4q is equal to 1. Or I can write this equation is x by p y by q is equal to 4. 4 is the same is, you can take the in RHS what happened, that is x by p plus y by q is equal to 4. This is the equation of the straight line when bisection of PQ and 2Q. Okay, clear? Next question. If the linear equation ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 and lx plus my plus n is equal to 0 represent the same lines, means the coefficient of x and y constant is same as it is, and a1 by b1 is equal to a2 by b2 is equal to c2 by c2, both are same, and r is equal to l by a is equal to n by c. Write the value of r in terms of m and b. You are asking r terms in m and b. Therefore solution, observe here, given equation write down here, given equations ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 and lx plus my plus n is equal to 0. These two equations are represent same lines. Same lines means the coefficient must be equivalent. Therefore a by l is equal to b by m is equal to c by n is equal to, both are same, 3 is equal to. But given, what is given here? L by A is equal to R, or N by C is equal to R given is. Therefore I can write here, this can be written as a by L also you can write here, or you can write this is L by A, M by B, N by C also, both are same here. Therefore or this can be written as a by L is equal to okay. Therefore L by A is nothing but R only, N by C is equal to R only. Therefore you can write here from equation 1 and 2, what I am saying here, L by A plus M by B, both are same here, L by A, N by C is equal to R only. Therefore I can write here M by B is equal to R only, that is M by B is equal to R only. Once again I am repeating, there is A by L, or I can write here L by A, same, both are same, M by B, N by C, or A by L, M by B, C by N. But is given here L by A, therefore I am taking the L by A and N by C are equivalent to R. Is given, that is L by A and N by C is equal to R. Therefore this is also L by A plus equal to N by C is equal to M by B. This is equivalent to R. Therefore in terms of R is equal to, I can write here M by B only. The answer is in terms of M by B is nothing, R is equal to M by B. Clear? Next, fourth problem. Find the angle made by the straight line y is equal to minus root 3x plus root 3 with the positive direction of the x-axis measured in the counterclockwise direction. Find the counter. Anti-clockwise you can write the minus only. The counter-clockwise means you can take the plus only. Okay. Therefore, what is you can find out the theta only. Therefore, given equation first you can write here. Solution observe here. Given equation of the line. What is given here? Y is equal to minus root 3x plus root 3. This is a form of y is equal to mx plus c. Okay, y is equal to mx plus c form you out. Therefore, since you can write here y is equal to mx plus c, where m is equal to minus root 3. This is you can write here slope only. Slope m is equal to tan theta. Therefore, tan theta is equal to minus root 3. Minus root 3 is, I can write here, theta is belongs to second coordinate. Because minus is there. Okay. Counterclockwise means you can write it is a theta is equal to second coordinate only. Therefore, tan of, I can write here, second coordinate is root 3 is nothing but it is tan root 3 when is occurring in tan. Therefore, tan pi by 3. That is tan 60. Tan 60 is equal to root 3. Therefore, here minus is there. Therefore, I can write here second coordinate pi minus 180 minus theta. Pi minus pi by 3. Therefore, tan of pi minus pi by 3 is nothing but 3 pi minus pi by 3. That is equal to tan of 2 pi by 3. Therefore, tan theta is equal to tan 2 pi by 3. Here asking here angle means therefore theta is equal to 2 pi by 3. This is the method of the finding the. If it is given the form of, you can observe here. What the equation is given the form of y is equal to minus root 3x plus root 3. Therefore, y is equal to mx plus c. Then find the slope. M is equal to minus root 3. Minus root 3 when is occurring in tan theta. Therefore, that is 2 pi by 3. Therefore, theta is equal to 2 pi by 3. Next is Roman second first problem. In what follows, P denotes the distance of the straight line from the origin and alpha denotes the angle made by the normal ray drawn from the origin to the straight line with the OX measured in the anti-clockwise sense. It is given P is the distance and alpha is the angle. P is the distance and alpha is the angle is given, and find the straight line equation. It is normal form only. Now in this 6 problems is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 problems. I will explain only one problem, that is P is equal to 6, alpha is equal to 50. It is given P is a distance and alpha is equal to 150. Find the equation. How to find the equation? You can observe here. You can write the first equation formula is. What is the formula is? Normal form is. Listen, solution is. Our understood question is first find the equation of the straight line with the following values of P and alpha, where P is a distance and alpha is a angle only. It is given, there is P is a distance and alpha is a angle only is given. Therefore, normal form equation you can observe here. Normal form. What is the normal form is? X cos alpha y sin alpha is equal to P. Therefore, alpha is what is given here? 150 degrees and P is equal to 60. Therefore, you can find cos alpha, cos 150. Can write here cos of 90 plus 60. Otherwise, you can use cos of 180 minus 30 also. Anyone you can. I am doing the here cos 90 means you are changing sin 60 degrees, and this is second coordinate. Second coordinate cos must be minus. Therefore, minus sin 60 is equal to this value is minus root 3 by 2. Clear? Minus root 3 by 2. As it is, you can find the sin alpha. Therefore, sin of 150 degrees, sin of 90 plus 60. Sin 90 will be changed is cos 60. Theta is as it is. Cos 60 is nothing but it is 90 plus theta. Second coordinate sin must be plus only, therefore cos plus only. This is 1 by 2. Substitute these two values in p value and cos alpha and sin alpha, you get the answer is x into what the cos alpha is minus root 3 by 2 plus y sin alpha is 1 by 2 is equal to p is nothing but 6. This can be written as minus root 3x minus root 3x by 2 y by 2 is equal to 6, or I can write here minus root 3x plus y is equal to 12, because new denominator is 2 is there, therefore you can take the 2 as it is. 2 into 6 is a 12 only, common is there, therefore okay. Again this can be written as root 3x minus 5 plus 12 is equal to 0. You can take minus common, you get the answer is root 3x minus 5, this is minus 12, bring this side plus 12 is equal to 0. This is the equation of the normal form when p and alpha is given. Similar problems you can do same method. P is alpha is given, find the alpha is, it is given alpha 7 pi by 4 or anything is given. In this question, listen what is the question is given. Next question is p is equal to 6 and alpha is equal to 150, same as it is. It is completed. And p is equal to 5, alpha is equal to 60. P is equal to 1, 7 pi by 4, 90 alpha is given. You can do all these problems, 6 problem. Okay. Next, second question. Find the equation of the straight line in the symmetric form. Symmetric form, given that slope and point on the line in each point of the equation. In this second also you have the 4 problems. You have the 3 problems only you have. I will explain one problem only. Second one is I am explaining. It is slope is given and point is given. Therefore you can, given that you can write first is solution. Observe here. Given that m is equal to minus 4 by 3 and point is x1 comma y1 is equal to what is given here, minus 2 comma 0. What is the symmetric form is? Symmetric form is, observe here, symmetric form is x minus x1 by cos theta is equal to y minus y1 by sin theta. This is the form of. Therefore you can find that theta only. How can you find here? Observe here, x1 y1 is already given. Therefore you can find the theta is m is equal to given is minus 1 by root 3 as it is previously. Therefore tan theta is equal to again minus, slope is nothing but slope is, this is slope is m is equal to tan theta is equal to minus 1 by root 3. Here also 1 by root 3 in tan when is occurring is tan theta is equal to 1 by root 3, that is tan theta is equal to tan pi by 6, 30 degrees. But his minus is given, therefore I can write here tan theta is equal to tan of pi minus pi by 6 only. Therefore tan of 5 pi minus pi by 6, you know about that is a minus when occurring, you can write here it is which coordinate, that is a second coordinate only. Therefore it is, you can write here 6 pi minus pi by 6 is equal to, I can write here tan of pi by 6. Tan theta is equal to, that is m is equal to tan of 5 pi by 6. Therefore you got your theta value is 5 pi by 6 only. Therefore equation I can write here, equation is, you can write here equation of the line or symmetric form only. Therefore x minus x1 is how much, that is minus 2 by cos theta cos 5 pi by 6 is equal to y minus y1 is nothing but 0 by sine 5 pi by 6. You can simplify, you get the answer only, but you can write symmetric form means you can write here x plus 2 minus of minus plus x plus 2 cos 5 pi by 6 is equal to y by sine 5 pi by 6. This is called our symmetric form only. You can simplify, you get the answer only, but in the y is equal to mx plus c form or standard form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. But you are asking in the symmetric form only, therefore you can write it as it is x plus 2 by cos pi by 6 is equal to y by sine pi by 6 only. I can write here also another x plus 2 by cos 5 pi by 6 is equal to y by sine 5 pi by 6. This is our required symmetric equation. Next question. This question also done in the solved problem. I will explain once again. Transform the following equation in the three types: slope intercept form A, B is intercept form, and C is normal form. Three you have to change in the three forms. One equation you can interchange the slope intercept form and normal form. Therefore, first is here also you have the 4 problems. You have the 6 problems you have. I will explain the third one only. 6 problems you have. I will explain the third one is root 3x plus y is equal to 4. Therefore, what is the slope form is equal to? You can write in a formula y is equal to mx plus c. You can reduce this form is y is equal to mx plus c. Given equations you can write here. First solution is, first time I am explaining the slope intercept form. Root 3x plus y is equal to 4 is given. Therefore, you can write first y as it is. You can bring x terms in RHS. Minus root 3x plus 4. This is a directly form is you are getting here. Y is equal to minus root 3x plus 4 only. Therefore, this slope m is equal to minus root 3 and y intercept form is c is equal to 4 only. Y is equal to mx plus c form. Therefore, m is equal to minus root 3, c is equal to 4. First is completed. B is intercept form. What is the form of intercept form? X by a plus y by b is equal to 1. You can change in the form of x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. How can you? Given equation you can write first is 3x plus y is equal to 4. As it is same. It is equivalent is there. Therefore there is no change. You can divide with both sides. Dividing with both sides 4 only, because you can it must be is 1 only. Therefore I can write here root 3x by 4 plus y by 4 is equal to 1, because 4 by 4 is equal to 1. I can write one step also here. Therefore I can write here, you can bring in a numerator, root 3 is numerator is there, you can bring denominator. What happens, that is x by 4 by root 3. Clear? This is as it is y by 4 is equal to 4 by 4 is 1 only. Okay? This is the intercept form. Therefore, you can write here, this is the form of x by a plus y by a is equal to 1. A is the intercept of the x, b is the intercept of the y. Therefore, I can write here x intercept is a is equal to 4 by root 3 and y intercept is b is equal to 4 only. This is the second one is intercept form. First one is a slope intercept form and this is the only intercept form. It is completed. Next go for the last is normal form. Normal form. What is the normal form is? It is given equation. How can I write here normal form? First you can write a formula is x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p only. This is called your normal form. Therefore given equation is root 3x plus 5 is equal to 4. In this case, you can observe here, you can find the r value. How can you find r value? Is under root of a square plus b square value. This is ax plus by na, ax plus by, r is equal to cr plus c is equal to 0. Therefore you can find the r value is under root of a square plus b square value. Therefore you can observe here, a is nothing but root 3 whole square is, plus b is nothing but 1 whole square, root of 3 plus 1 is equal to root 4 is equal to 2 only. Therefore this value you can multiply with both side. What happens? That is dividing both side by 2. Therefore root 3 by 2x plus y by 2 is equal to 4 by 2. This is the first condition you can doing, dividing with 2 only. Therefore this can be as x into root 3 by 2 I can write here, y into 1 by 2 is equal to, it is 2 1s are 2 2s are. Okay, you got here. This is the form of x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p only. P is you can getting that 2 only. What about cos alpha and sin alpha? You can observe here, root 3 by 2 is equal to cos alpha and 1 by 2 is equal to sin alpha. Where is occurring in and alpha is same but is a difference values. Therefore alpha is equal to how much? It is 30 degrees only, because cos 30 is equal to how much? It is cos 30 is equal to root 3 by 2 and sin 30 also 1 by 2. Therefore you can assume that is a alpha is equal to 30 degrees. Therefore I can write here x cos of root 3 by 2 is nothing but pi by 6 or 30 degrees. You can write first, and y sin 30 degrees is equal to 2. You can write alpha in a radian. Therefore I can write here x cos of pi by 6 plus y sin of pi by 6 is equal to 2. This is our form of given equation in the normal form. X cos pi by 6 plus y sin pi by 6 is equal to 2 only. Clear? This is the 3 methods. Very important question. This is also, you can find the first slope intercept form, first one is, and intercept form, and third one is normal form. You can do remaining all the problems. Next question, if the product of the intercept made by the straight line x tan alpha plus y secant alpha is equal to 1 on the coordinate axis is equal to sin alpha, and find the alpha. Find the alpha. Listen, first you can understood the problem is product of the intercept. Therefore given equation is you can write in the form of intercept form, and find the x intercept and y intercept. You can product of the intercept is equal to sin alpha is given. Then find the alpha value. First you can understood the question. Given that equation, write down here. Given that equation or line equation, x tan alpha plus y secant alpha is equal to 1. You can write in the intercept form. What the intercept form is? X by a plus y by b is equal to 1. You can write in the form of x by a plus y by is equal to 1. Therefore this can be written as x by tan alpha. I can write here cot alpha, 1 by cot alpha. Tan alpha I can write here 1 by cot alpha, plus y secant alpha I can write here 1 by cos alpha is equal to 1. Because you can write in the form of x by a plus y by is equal to 1. Therefore I can write here tan alpha is equal to 1 by cot alpha plus y by secant alpha I can write here 1 by cos alpha is equal to 1. Therefore you can write here x intercept is equal to cot alpha, and y intercept is cos alpha. The product of the intercepts, this is given sin alpha is equivalent to sin alpha. Therefore you can write here product of intercept intercepts is equal to sine alpha. What the product is? Intercept means x intercept form is cot alpha into y intercept is cos alpha is equal to sine alpha is given. Cot alpha into cos alpha is equal to sine alpha is given. Therefore, listen here, cot alpha I can write here cos alpha by sine alpha into cos alpha is equal to sine alpha, or cos alpha into cos alpha I can write here cos square alpha. I can do cross multiplication. What happens, that is sine alpha into sine alpha is equal to sine square alpha, or I can write here cos square alpha by sine square alpha is equal to 1, or this is cot square alpha is equal to 1, or I can write here 1 by tan square alpha also same, tan square alpha is equal to 1 also, because reciprocal is also 1 by 1 is only same 1. Therefore, you can write here tan alpha is equal to 1. What you got here? Tan alpha is equal to plus or minus 1, but you can take the, it is given is alpha is first coordinate, therefore you can take a plus value. Tan square alpha is equal to 1, tan square alpha is equal to 1, but tan alpha is equal to plus or minus 1. Because I am taking the alpha is equal to 1 only, because alpha is between 0 and pi by 2, that is first coordinate. First coordinate is positive only. Therefore, tan alpha is equal to 1. Therefore, that is equal to tan pi by 4. Therefore, alpha is equal to how much it is? Pi by 4. You are asking here alpha value. Therefore, that is the angle only. Alpha is equal to what? That is pi by 4. These are finding the alpha only. Okay. Next, sixth problem. Line L has intercept A and B. Line has intercept A and B on the axis of the coordinates. When the axes are rotated, the given angle keeping the origin fixed, angle must be no changing, fixed. The same of the line has intercepted P and Q on the transformation axis. Then prove that 1 by A square plus 1 by B square is equal to 1 by P square plus 1 by Q square. Question you can observe here. Here first OX and OY axis is intercept is A comma 0 and 0 comma B. Can see the figure only. It is rotated, and OX dash and OY dash is here intercepted as P and Q, that is P comma 0 and 0 comma Q. This is the figure about the given question. You can prove that the 1 by A square is plus 1 by B square is equal to 1 by P square plus 1 by Q square. You can. How can you prove? Given that line L has intercept A and B on coordinates. Then how can write here? Coordinate form is x by A plus y by B is equal to 1, or I can write here x by A plus y by B minus 1 is equal to 0. You can write here length of the perpendicular origin to the line. Perpendicular to the origin to the line. Therefore, what is the formula is? You can write on here. Length of the perpendicular from origin to the lines. Line only first you can write here. Which line is? You can write here 0, 0 to origin means 0, 0 to x by A plus y by B minus 1 is equal to 0. You can write one formula is, how can write here? Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is perpendicular to distance is x1 comma y1. Formula is mod of ax1 plus by1 plus c by under root of a square plus b square plus c square. This is the formula. then here form x by a plus y by b minus 1 is equal to 0 is given equation is there. Therefore length is equal to L1 equal to, I can write here mod of, you can x plus x1 y1 you can replace as x comma y and replacing as x1 y1, but here x1 y1 is 0 0, therefore I can write here 0 plus 0 minus 1 mod under root of, this is a means 1 by a is 1 by b, okay, therefore it is constant only, therefore a square plus b square only formula, a square 1 by a square plus 1 by b square. This is, you can mod 1 is means square at 1 by under root of a square plus b square. You got this is equation number 1. Similarly, you can find the another equation ox dash and oy dash. How can I write this is x by p plus y by p is equal to 1 only. That is, I will explain. After rotation, line L has intercept with P and Q. Then equation how can I write here? Equation of the line. How can I write here? X by P plus y by Q is equal to 1, or x by P plus y by Q minus 1 is equal to 0. Similarly, you can find the length of the perpendicular from origin 0 0 origin to the line. Therefore L2 is equal to, I can write here L2 is equal to, the length L2 is equal to, same previously how can I write 0 plus 0 minus 1 by under root of, again here 1 by p is there, therefore 1 by p square plus 1 by q square is equal to, mod 1 by is equal to, right here minus 1 you can get in there plus 1, and this is 1 by p square plus 1 by q square. Second equation, this is what you are getting here. Previously you are getting here 1 by, I can write here 1 by a square plus 1 by b square root of, you are getting, and second one what you got here 1 by root of 1 by p square plus 1 by q square. Distance between the origin and the given lines does not change, means you are rotating the axis, the distance will be constant only. If the distance is 2 meters, here also 2 meters only, you are rotating same angle means, therefore I can write here distance of the L1 and L2 is same, L1 and L2 are both are same, therefore you can write here from 1 and 2, how can I write here under root of 1 by a square plus 1 by b square is equal to under root of 1 by under root of 1 by p square plus 1 by c square, 1 by, this is 1 by under root of 1 by a square plus 1 by b square is equal to 1 by under root of 1 by p square plus 1 by q square. You can do cross multiplication, what happens there is root of 1 by p square plus 1 by q square is equal to under root of 1 by a square plus 1 by b square. If you remove the roots and squaring both sides, what will it here 1 by p square 1 by q square is equal to 1 by p square plus 1 by q square is equal to 1 by a square plus 1 by b square. This is our condition. Required condition is what is asking here. Can write here 1 by a square plus 1 by b square is equal to 1 by p square by 1 by q square. This is our required condition. Okay. Next, third Roman second problem. Find the points on the line 3x minus 4y minus 1 is equal to 0, which are at the distance of the 5 units from the point 3, 2. This method is completed in the solved problem. Once again I am repeating that. It is given equation 3x minus 4y minus 1 is equal to 0. Units means 5 units means distance is r is equal to is given. You can take here r is equal to plus or minus 5 only. And point is x1 comma y1 is 3 comma 2. Listen, given equation is write down given equation. What is the given equation is 3x minus 4y minus 1 is equal to 0. You can write in the slope intercept form. How can I write here? Slope intercept form means minus 4y is equal to, as it is you can write it. Bring this side, what happens there is a minus 3x plus 1. Again, this is a must be positive, therefore you can multiply with minus, what happens is 4y is equal to 3x minus 1. And dividing with 4, what happens is y is equal to 3 by 4x minus 1 by 4. Therefore, here m is equal to slope. What is intercept? Y is equal to mx plus c form. This is a slope intercept form. Therefore, m is equal to how much? That is 3 by 4. You got here. Or this can be written as tan theta is equal to 3 by 4. Find the points means you can find the x comma y. What is the form of this is? You can write here symmetric form is. I can write here parametric or symmetric form. Symmetric form. I can write here x is equal to x1 plus or minus r cos theta. Y is equal to y1 plus or minus r sin theta. This is our required points is. Then it is, how can you find cos theta and sin theta are? Given r is equal to 5. Since distance is given. Then x is equal to x1 plus r cos theta, y is equal to y1 plus r sin theta. And x1 comma y1 is equal to 3 comma 2. It is 2 we have. But what do you want again? Here cos theta and sin theta we want. Therefore, you have the tan theta value, then you can find the cos theta and sin theta. How can you find that is? Observe here. Tan theta is equal to 3 by 4. Draw a figure. How to find here? This theta is, what is the form of this is? Opposite by adjacent. And what is the hypotenuse is? You can write that is under root of 16 plus 9 is equal to root 25 is nothing but 5 only. You got this of 5 only. And you can write here cos theta is equal to, what the cos theta form is? Adjacent to by hypotenuse, that is 4 by 5. You will know about that is. Sin theta is equal to also 3 by 5. You got your cos theta and sin theta value, x1, y1 and r is equal to. Then substitute that, you get the answer is x is equal to what is the formula? x1 plus r minus r cos theta. X is equal to, x1 is how much? That is 3 plus or minus r is how much? That is 5. What is the cos theta is 4 by 5. Clear? And y is equal to y1 plus or minus r sin theta. Therefore, y is equal to, y1 is nothing but 2 plus or minus 5, sin theta is equal to 3 by 5. You can simplify here, 3 get cancel, 5 get cancel, 5 get cancel. You got here x is equal to x comma y. I can write here, what is the x values are here? 3 plus or minus 5. And what about y is? 2 plus or minus 3. Therefore, x comma y is equal to, you getting there two values, that is 3 plus 4, this is 3 plus 4, because 5 I get cancelled, 3 plus or minus 4, this is 2 plus or minus 3 only. 3 plus or minus 4 is nothing but 7 comma, first one is 5 and second one is 3 minus 4 is nothing but minus 1, 2 minus 3 is nothing but minus 1. Therefore, x comma y points are, the answer is 7 comma 5, one is minus 1 comma minus 1 is another. This is our required points. Next, fifth problem, a straight line L with the negative slope and passes through the point 8 comma 2 and cuts the positive coordinates axis at the point of P and Q. Find the minimum value of the OP plus OQ as L varies where O is the origin. We have in this problem, first you can find the negative slope through the points. If it is a slope and the point is what is the formula? Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. But negative slope is given, therefore you can take here m is equal to minus m, that is negative means minus m, you can take here x comma y. You can find the equation. The equation you can change in the coordinates form or intercept form, x by a plus y by y is equal to 1. Again the intercept form is P and Q is given as a OP and OQ. Therefore OP value and OQ you can find again and substitute the OP plus OQ value and minimum values. How can you find in application of derivative? You are discussing about the minimum value. If f of x is given, therefore you can do f dash of x, f double dash of x is greater than 0 or less than 0. What is f of m value? Okay, I will explain. Next, first you can observe we are given that point x1 comma y1 is equal to, what is given here? 8 comma 2 and negative slope having the equation, how can that here? Therefore line equation, how can that here? Line equation, y minus y1 is equal to minus m of, because m is equal to minus m, you can take here x minus x1 as it is. Negative slope is y minus y1 is nothing but 2 is equal to minus m as it is, you don't know m, x minus x1. You can simplify this and you can write the in the form of x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. How can that here? Observe here, y minus 2 is equal to as it is minus mx minus of minus 8m, I can write here. Can bring x terms is here mx plus y is equal to 8m as it is. Can bring this minus 2 is this side, plus 2 only. Are clear? This is minus mx is comes this side. What are you getting? Mx y as it is, 8m as it is, minus 2 can bring RHS. What happens? That is plus 2. Or this can be written as mx by 8m plus 2 y by 8m plus 2 is equal to 1. Okay, mx by 8m plus 2 plus y by 8m plus 2 is equal to 1. These are not a standard form. What is the form of the C? Is intercept form is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. That's why I am dividing both sides 8m plus 2. Again here m is there, therefore divide with, how can that here? X by 8m plus 2 by m. Clear? X by 8m plus 2 by m plus y by 8m plus 2 is equal to 1. This is the intercept form of this x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. But here not given here a and b. What is given here? P and q is given. Therefore by you can write here, by the problem given OP is intercept of, OP is equal to x intercept, OQ is equal to y intercept. Clear? Therefore I can write here OP is equal to, what is the intercept of is AX is 8m plus 2 by m. And what is OQ is equal to 8m plus 2. Let's here find out the OP plus OQ value. OP plus OQ value. You are finding the OP plus OQ value. What is the OP value is 8m plus 2 by m. OQ is nothing but 8m plus 2. Clear? Again I am take the LCM is m as it is 8m plus 2 plus m of 8m plus 2. Therefore this can be written as, first I can write here 8m square, okay, plus 8m plus 2m plus 2 by m. Once again listen, 8m square is I can write here 8m into m, 8m square plus 8m as it is, 2 into m is 2m plus 2 as it is. You got here last is 8m square plus 10m plus 2 by m. This is OP plus OQ. Then find the minimum value. How can you find the minimum value? You can let here OP plus OQ is equal to f of m, that equal to 8m square plus 10m plus 2 by m. This is our required equation is OP plus OQ f of m. You can take f of m is equal to, and you can do the application of derivative maximum and minimum 10h exercise. I think here 10 exercise same you can find out the f dash of x. X is m is given, f dash of m and f double dash m you can find is equal to 0. You get the m value, here also you get the x values. Okay, you can do this method only. F of m is equal to 8m square plus 10m plus 2 by m. F dash m is formula, it is the form of u by v. U by v. What is the u by v formula? V into u dash minus u into v dash by v square. Apply the same formula, v into, therefore m into derivative of, is the derivative of, I can write here, it is 8 into 2 16m plus 10 m the 1, okay, minus as it is u into, u is nothing but 8m square plus 10m plus 2 into v dash means m is equal to 1 only, divided by m square. Therefore f dash m is equal to how much you get here? 16m square plus 10m minus 8m square minus 10m minus 2 by m square. Therefore 16m square minus 8m square, you getting here 8m square, 8m square plus 10m minus 10m get cancel, minus 2 by m square. F dash m, f dash m is equal to what you got here? 8m square minus 2 by m square. You can call this equation number 1. This is equation number only. Already you can write. Maximum and minimum, when you selling, that is maximum of, for maximum and minimum, when you saying, that is f of m is equal to 0, f of m is equal to 0, then find the m value. 8m square minus 2 by m square is equal to 0, or I can write here 8m square minus 2 is equal to 0, 8m square is equal to 2, or m square is equal to 1 by 4, or m is equal to, you got here, plus or minus 1 by 2. You got here m is equal to plus or minus 1 by 2. Again you can differentiate with respect to from equation 2. What happened, that is, again I am differentiating with respect to m, equation number 2. Again that is the m f double dash of m is equal to, again u by v form, same formula apply, m square into u dash means 16m, okay, minus as it is u into 8m square minus 2 into v dash is nothing but 2m divided by m to the power of 4. M to the power of 4. Or this can be written as, observe here, f double dash of m is equal to 16m cube minus 16m cube minus of minus plus 4m by m to the power of 4. You got here 4m by m to the power of 4 or 4 by m cube. 4 by m cube. You can substitute your m value. What will get here? Listen once again. F of f double dash m you got here 4 by m cube. Therefore 4 by, you can substitute here. Is a positive or negative you are getting? Then you can say that is the minimum and maximum. Therefore you can substitute here m is equal to 1 by 2 whole cube. Or this can be written as 4 into 8. Can bring upside, okay? Yeah, this is 1 by 2 means 1 by 8 is 4 into 8 is equal to 32. Therefore f dash of m is equal to 32 is greater than 0. Therefore minimum value f of x is have f of m have minimum value yet m is equal to 1 by 2. Find out the minimum value. How can you find here? Therefore f of m, what is the f of m is? You can write here 8m square plus 10m plus 2 by m plus 2 by m. You can substitute your values. 8 of m square is 1 by 2 whole square plus 10 1 by 2 plus 2 by 1 by 2. Listen here, 8 into 1 by 4 plus these are 2 1s are 2 5s are plus 2 by 1 by 2 or 4 1s are 4 2s are. What are you getting here? You are getting here 8 by 4, the 2 plus 7 plus 9 by 1 by 2 or 9 into 2 is equal to 18. This is our minimum value is, can write here, minimum value of f of m. What is f of m is? OP plus OQ is equal to 18. This is the answer. Okay, clear?